Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you along to the Strongsville Homecoming event 2025. This exciting annual festival brings the whole community together. And trust me, it was an unforgettable day. Let's dive into our experience. We started our day by parking at the Strongsville Library. It was lightly raining when we arrived, so we waited in the car for a bit. Sometimes the best days start with a little patience. After the rain passed, we finally made our way to the event. The atmosphere was full of energy, rides spinning, the smell of food in the air, games being played, and laughter everywhere. A perfect setting for a family day out. Here's a top view of the entire event. It really gives you a sense of how big and vibrant this celebration is. Strongsville, located in Ohio, is known for its close-knit community and rich history. The Strongsville Homecoming dates back decades and is organized by the Strongsville Chamber of Commerce. It's a tradition that brings generations together for fun, music, and memories. This festival has become a beloved summer highlight for both residents and visitors. We tried our luck at the Lucky Duck game, and Arya won an adorable little piggy toy. Then she nailed the dot game and walked away with the cutest soft elephant. She was thrilled.
Okay. Put it back.
And then you can pick a special ducky from
You can pick.
any ducky you want. You like that one?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Guys.
Thank
you. अरे ये लो अपने प्राइस को फोटो खींच लो सब। आप
Next up was the ring toss game. We gave it our best shot, aiming those rings at the bottles, but luck wasn't on our side this time. Still, it was so much fun trying. Arya had an absolute blast enjoying all the kids' rides. Her joy was contagious. The carousel, mini coasters, and spinning rides were her favorites. Watching her smile made it all worth it.
Say hello, Arya. guys, we are at the top. Right now we are in the ride. Arya is having fun? Yes. You good? You good? Come. You ready? Let's go. Let's go.
Welcome to the world famous scooter bumper car. Please walk and don't run to the nearest car in the center of the run.
Enjoy. Yay! Yay!
To close the night, we watched the breathtaking fireworks show. The sky lit up in vibrant colors, and the crowd was in awe. It was the perfect way to wrap up such a magical day. We ended the day with full hearts and happy faces, from the thrilling rides to Arya's game victories and the grand fireworks display. This homecoming event had it all. If you enjoyed coming along with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world and helps us keep creating joyful family moments like these. Thanks for watching and see you in the next adventure.